Jai Hind everyone. This is Pragati Pandey and I'm here with a new chapter that is playing with numbers. Okay. So basically the chapter is playing with number. That means we will use different numbers and we use different identities, that means multiplication, division, subtraction and addition. Along with these identities we use brackets with it, and we will solve different types of question with this. Okay, so let's move to our chapter. Okay, so this is your chapter number 3. Okay, in this, first of all we have to learn that what is the sequence, what is the sequence of an equation to be solved. Okay, so if there is a simplification given to you and you have to solve that simplification, what you will do, you will first do the division. Okay, first of all you will go through the division, then after you will do the multiplication, then after addition, and after that subtraction. Okay, so this is the rule which should be applied for solving the identities, that means the division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, and this rule is called as DMAS rule. Okay, you can see that D, this is D for division. Okay, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Okay, so according to this we will do the identities, we will solve the simplification by DMAS rule. Okay, now we will move further. Here is the second point that should be remembered, is that for calculation with brackets of and DMAS, the order is basically if you have brackets in your simplification. Okay, if you have brackets, along with that you have different identities of mathematics. So what you will do, you will first solve the brackets, then of is basically the percentage meaning. That means if anyone tells to you that what will be the 3/4% of 36. Okay, so basically what you have to do, basically the thing in condition of there should be the percentage of that value. That means you have to do the multiplication over there and you have to find the value beside of. Okay, so basically first of all we will go through brackets, then after of, then after division, then after multiplication, then after addition and subtraction. Okay, now the operation of in expression like twice, 2 times, 5% off, the meaning of is multiplication with. Yes, I have told you that if there is mentioned of in any of the simplification, what you have to do, you have to just multiply. You will use the identity multiply over there. Okay, now we have brackets. You know that brackets are basically 4 types. They are of 4 types. That means the small bracket you can see in the picture, second one is the curly bracket, third one is the big bracket, and the fourth one is the bar bracket. Okay, bar is also serves as a bracket. So first of all we will do what in brackets if we have all the 4 brackets within the equation. Okay, if we have all the brackets within the equation, so first of all we will solve the small bracket. If bar is present, we will solve the bar first, then after small bracket. If small bracket has been solved out, then after we will use the curly bracket, and after that in the last we will solve the big bracket. Okay, so after brackets, then off, then after divide, then after multiply, then after addition, and then after subtraction. Okay, after that we are here on exercise 3.1. so we will do several simplification over here, and we should apply the board mass. Okay, in all the condition we should apply the board mass, then after we will solve the questions. Okay, you can see the first part of question number 1, that is 6 multiply 6 divided by 2. So we will solve this question. Okay, you can see here that was the question, 6 multiply 6 divided by 2. So if we have not any brackets, then what we will do, we will go through DMAS. So first of all we will do division. So here you can see that the division is here. When 6 is divided by 2, it will give 3. 3 multiply 6. Okay, and after division we will do multiplication. So 6 3s are 18. So our answer will be 18. Okay, its second, third and fourth part is your assignment work, and now we will see question number 5, fifth part of question number 1. Okay, this is part 5th of question number 1. So we will solve this. You can see here that here we have 63 minus curly bracket, then a small bracket in bracket 24 minus 20, and after that bracket close, multiply 15, then curly bracket close. So first of all we will do what, we will solve the bracket. So this is a small bracket, we will go with it first. 63 minus curly bracket, we will solve this bracket, we will get 24 minus 20, that will be 4, multiply 15, curly bracket close. You can see here we have solved the small bracket, then after we will solve curly bracket. Okay, so you can see that 63 minus, if we solve the curly bracket, in bracket it is 4 multiply 50, 15 4 just 60, we have 60, and we will remove the bracket by solving the 4 multiply 15, and we have here the 63 multiply 60. So what we will do, we will subtract the numbers and get 3, which is our answer. Okay, so this is the 5th part of question number 1. Question number 2, this is also simplification, and question number 3, that is 64 divided by 8 divided by 4 divided by 2. This is also your assignment work, and you can see the question number 4, add brackets to make the equation. So you will do this question also, and 5th part is also simplification, you will do that question also. Here you will take the screenshot, and then after you will solve the questions. Okay, here question number 5. So your assignment work is to solve exercise 3.1. Okay, thank you students. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.